Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic for beginner traders, the Minervini approach to volatility contraction pattern and trend following strategies. Mark Minervini, a renowned trader and author, introduced the concept of VCP, which has become a powerful tool for traders to identify potential breakout stocks. But before we delve into the VCP, let's understand the basics of trend following strategies. Trend following strategies involve identifying the direction of a stock's price movement and aligning your trades with that trend. This can be done using technical indicators like moving averages, trend lines, or price patterns. Now, let's talk about the volatility contraction pattern, or VCP. It's a pattern that indicates a stock consolidating tightly after a significant advance, forming a solid base before potentially making another move upwards. The VCP consists of several components: price stability, volume decline, tight chart pattern, and strong earnings and fundamentals. Once the VCP is formed, traders watch for a breakout above the consolidation range on high volume. This breakout confirms the end of the contraction phase and the beginning of a potential uptrend. When trading VCP breakouts, it's essential to have clear entry and stop-loss points. Entry can be set slightly above the breakout point, while the stop-loss should be placed below the consolidation range to manage risk. Let's take a look at an example trade using the Minervini approach. Suppose we identify a stock exhibiting the characteristics of a VCP. We wait for a breakout above the consolidation range on high volume and enter the trade. As the trade progresses, we continuously monitor the stock's price action and adjust our stop-loss accordingly to protect profits and minimize losses. In conclusion, the Minervini approach to volatility contraction pattern and trend-following strategies offers a systematic way for beginner traders to identify potential breakout opportunities in the market. That wraps up today's video. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more trading tips and strategies. Happy trading, and we'll see you in the next video.